Gray hair is a sign of wisdom and maturity. But the trouble is if graying happens early in life. While conventional hair dyes can cover the gray hair, they contain many harmful chemicals which can cause hair loss, more gray hair, and even adversely affect your health. Fortunately, nature provides us with simple and safe natural remedies that have been used since ancient times. Coconut oil can do wonders for hair, from dandruff to conditioning to hair growth. It can tackle all your hair issues. Coconut oil is also a simple yet effective remedy to keep gray hair at bay. According to Ayurveda, gray hair is caused due to excess pitta dosha, or high body heat. Coconut oil is one of the best ingredients to pacify pitta dosha. How to use coconut oil for hair. Rub coconut oil on your scalp. Let it stay for 20 minutes. Then shampoo. This is when you decide dyeing your hair. Do this every day, and gradually, your hair will turn to its original color. This is the safest natural method. Not in an instant. You'll see the results in a month, but it will not automatically turn all the whites into black. Most of my whites have turned into bronze or red, so the whites are not that visible anymore. Coconut oil is the richest natural source of medium-chain fatty acids, MCFAs, special types of fatty acid with antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that are very nourishing to the body. It is especially high in the C12 chain of MCFAs known as lauric acid. Lauric acid is naturally occurring in breast milk as well and is supportive of hormone health and cellular health. This beneficial property of coconut oil is also one of the reasons it can help prevent protein loss in hair for some people. Coconut oil's structure allows it to penetrate hair in ways that other oils are not able to, which is why some people notice amazing results relatively quickly when using coconut oil for hair.